This video will be instructing how to configure the Flame Guardian. So first thing to do, connect the USB cable to your computer, and then connect the USB cable to the Flame Guardian. Have to install the cable on the left side to parameterize the Flame Guardian. So we'll put this here so it learns. Then we come back over and we go to the website, we go to the installation page, and if we scroll down, we have download Flame Guardian configurator. So yeah, click on that, download it. You should get a zip file like this, unzip it. Then we'll install the application. So it will say this kind of thing, but just go more info, run anyway. Install this to the computer, close. Now you will have a new shortcut on your desktop, so double click this, will open up the configurator. So now first thing, let's choose the COM port. So whatever it is on your computer, mine is COM3, and you just say connect. Note all the fields will be grayed out until it receives data, until it starts until it's learned the infrared levels and begins recording. Okay, right now you can see there's two sensors, and you see the sensor values here, 1 and 2, and you can see the trigger point. So the general idea is that if the infrared level gets above these values, then it will trigger an alarm. Now we have these parameters we can adjust for the Flame Guardian to kind of customize its performance for your machine. So what we'll do, we'll read the parameters. So you click this button, read. So we see the sensitivity is at 40. In general, if you lower the sensitivity, it will lower this threshold and make it more sensitive. It's kind of opposite way around, but like, yeah, if you increase the sensitivity, it will make it less sensitive. We have a delay here. So this is the delay until the small buzzers go off, which are on board on the Flame Guardian circuit board. We have an external output delay, so that's for the external output. So note this delay, 4,000 milliseconds, is in addition to the first delay. So the idea is that if you get a small flame, the small buzzer might go off, but then if you have an extended period where there's a flame, say it will wait another 4 seconds before setting off the external output or your big buzzer or machine shutdown relay or whatever it is. And here we have a couple of, we can adjust the frequency of the onboard buzzer. So maybe you want to tailor it, make it a different, slightly different noise. These will allow you to do that. So what we'll do, we'll go over to the Flame Guardian and we'll trigger it with a cigarette lighter. So in general, what I'll try and do, I'll try and it's hard to watch it here, but if you look at the globe here, if you look at the LED here, you'll see it changes color whenever it detects a flame. So in general, you want to be able to go out here and ensure that it can see the flame within your bed. Now, if it's not quite sensitive enough, you can come over here, say I'll reduce this to 30, and I'll say right. Sometimes you have to read it back to just confirm that it has taken. But yeah, I'll test this again, and I can see now it is a bit more sensitive than it was before. So again, you're going to have to fine tune this to suit your machine and what materials you're cutting. Yeah, and there is, I do have to say, like you'll see on the installation page, there is a bit of a blind spot like out the side here. It can't really, just due to the way the sensors are laid out, you can't really see out here, but if you get to about there, you can see. So you can get a pretty broad coverage of the bed. Now, the other thing I want to talk about there, this delay. So currently this is set to 4,000 milliseconds or 4 seconds. So if you set this 4 seconds, we'll sing. But for example, if we want to double that, say we make it 8 seconds, right? And I'll just double check it took, yep. So here it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see we've extended the time it takes for an alarm to actually go off. What I was saying here about alarm frequency, so we could change this to say 2800 and 2850, for example. I'll say right, and we'll do this again, and you'll hear a different tone. So again, small thing, but you can adjust to suit whatever you like, really. Yeah, and the external output delay, as I said before, that's in addition to the primary delay. This one, maybe you want to set that a bit larger. You know, like 4 seconds, okay, but you really, this one here, this is really the one where it's like, all right, we have to get back to the machine. Something serious is going on. So yeah, I think that's all regarding the parameterization. If you have any troubles, feel free to contact me. I'm available all the time. I'd be more than happy to assist with whatever issue you're having. So thank you.